Alright, so what you're seeing here is this is the hollow core door that I used. That's going to be on the for the top of the bed, and then there'll be a mattress above this. As I showed you before, I had to cut a piece to refill in this place, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to pre-drill holes along here and then come up through to anchor this down on the sides in the front. Alright, so what I've done to make it easier to find each spot that I need to put the screw in from the bottom is I made a quick mark all along here and then each of the edges. I'm going to use that as my guide. Alright, so the bed this is all secure, and the only thing that I'll probably do is I have a support going across here. I will probably add one more right in this section because I can feel it bowing just a little bit, and maybe one more across here, but essentially this is where I'll be sleeping at night, albeit on something hopefully a little more softer than this. Alright, so that's the basic bed setup, one thing at a time. Alright, with this top piece in, I had support here, I had support in the middle, and I had support at the far end. And I thought that would be alright, but I did notice that since this piece doesn't always go was just not wide enough to reach this back piece, and that's alright, I'm going to do something different here. I noticed that here and in this section it was pushing down just a little bit. No, it would probably be okay, but I'm going to show you what I did underneath for a quick fix for that, and the center piece that I put in for support. Alright, the two pieces I put in, you can see straight in the back here, I put that support piece up at the very top. It didn't need it to be anything fancy or special. And it might be hard to see, but I did the same thing in the center back. You can just barely see it. And then this piece going across the top. This was not there before, and I did put one leg down at the bottom. I did have to shim it because I miscalculated my measurement, but this will give plenty of support now to the bed itself.